What's going on, guys? It's Nando back again with another video. Wow, it has been so long since I made one of these videos. I don't even know where to begin. So first and foremost, thanks for still sticking around. I appreciate that. Life has been hectic, life has been crazy, and I just simply haven't had the time to make these kinds of videos. But with that being said, you guys already read the title of this video. So you can imagine that I got some sort of surprise in here, some sort of tech. And I haven't opened it yet, as you can see. Still FedEx wrapped up. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and do like a legit unboxing together, live video of what's in here. This is a gift that I received. I'm super excited for it. I don't know what it is. I have ideas, but let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we got. I assume it's gonna be a camera, but we don't know. I already saw what it is. These boxes are no joke. I already know what that is. Look at that right there. Boom. See what that is? Insta360. Now, if you guys have been around watching my videos for quite a while, you know that I have a 360 camera. I actually have the OG Insta360 One R. And since then, they've come out with the One RS. They have the One XT and so forth and so on. It says, please tear here. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Boom. Oh, look at that kit. First and foremost, this might not mean a lot to you guys, but having a legit, good quality selfie stick is extremely important. And I've been looking at getting one of these for quite a while. So I'm glad that this was included in the package. Selfie stick, boom, off to the side. Actually, we'll leave that open for now. Then, that's all you have in the box, okay? Nothing else. And now you've got the 1-inch 360 edition Insta360. Now that's a mouthful. So let's try this again. 1-inch 360 edition. Insta360 One RS. 1-inch 360 edition. And what makes this special, now I know I'm not the first video that you guys are watching, but what makes this special is the simple fact that this is modular, right? Insta360 with their 1R, 1RS, and now this, you can change pieces, right? You can change the processing speed if you were to go ahead and keep what I, in this case, didn't have to do, but keep your original 1R and just attach the 1-inch sensor, right? So you have some mobility, you have some leeway there, and that kind of future-proofs your device. In this case, I went ahead and got the whole shebang, the whole package, the whole thing, which I love, okay? So, looks like it comes with a Insta360 64 gigabyte memory card right there at the top, which is exciting. And off to the side. In the back, let's go ahead and open this real quick. And then I plan on making videos, obviously, using the camera. So like I was saying, I plan on going ahead and making some videos, and in particular comparing this camera with the Insta360 One R. And you guys can't see it, but above me, I have the DJI Pocket 2, which has been until now, hopefully until now, my go-to small travel camera. I'm recording this on a Sony ZV-1E, I believe, top-down Sony a6400. So I have a lot of different cameras for different things, but I'm always looking for like a go-to, quick, fast camera that can kind of do a little bit of everything. So I'm hoping this is what that camera is going to do. So that feels good. Feels good in the hands. And if any of you guys know who Flossie is, the ladies, you know the procedure. But let's go ahead and put this up to the camera. right? So there's your touch screen. And to give you guys an example, I would have been able to utilize this module here, right, for my 1R, and just attach this new 360 camera there. Off to the side is where you're gonna have your record button. Big old sensors, and there's some heft to this thing. It feels good in the hand. There's definitely some heft to it. It's not huge, okay? Again, I'm gonna compare it with the DJI Pocket 2, but it's not huge. I don't feel like this is gonna be cumbersome to travel with. I don't feel like this is gonna be cumbersome to use. On the bottom, you've got your thread for that invisible selfie stick that we already saw, right? So that's gonna be nice. I'm excited about this camera, guys, and I'm gonna make it short and sweet right here at the end. To me, Insta360 isn't reinventing the 360 genre, in my opinion, with this camera. They're not reinventing it. Maybe. What they are doing is that they're bringing camera-like qualities to 360 videos and photographies. And what I mean by that is the 1-inch sensor. That's what this camera is all about. If there's one thing that's always driven me crazy when using my Insta360 One R and when using the DJI Pocket 2, when using my Insta360 Go, right, that little tiny action camera, GoPro Max, pretty much any of these small sensor cameras is low light. Now, here, where I'm filming right now, I have light. I have light above me, I have light in front of me, I have the ability to add light. So I'm not worried about that. But if I'm out and about, if I'm trying to shoot something and the sun is setting, if I'm trying to go out and about in my day, the last thing I want to do is shoot some cool, what I think is going to be cool 360 footage, and then the footage is pixelated, it's noisy, it's grainy. I'm hoping that with this big old 1-inch sensor, that is going to remove that barrier, it's going to remove that obstacle, and then we're going to go ahead and be able to have some very clean or much cleaner footage that's usable for both this kind of video, right, for YouTube, for family, for friends, and for everything else. So with that being said, guys, here you have it. I'm back. I'm excited. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think of this camera. If this is a camera that you're interested in, if this is a camera you already own, if this is a camera that you were thinking about but you are choosing not to buy. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And like always, guys, it was Nando. What do I always say? Thanks for staying. No, that's not it. It was Nando. Thanks for stopping by. And stay geeky. That's it. Stay geeky. Peace. Adios. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks.